Hello and welcome back to another workshop session here with the Bearded Hobby Homestead. So today I'm back in the workshop, but not for actual work because of this. Whenever you see something like this with an attachment similar to this one, you can almost certainly always know that it runs off of smoke. This electric powers it up and makes the smoke work, because when the smoke comes out of it, it doesn't work. So this here is a little Black & Decker, I think it's a 600 watt, 650 watt angle grinder, baby grinder, whatever you want to call it. And this one was working fine up until the time I abused it. So I'm going to be opening it up and seeing what's going on inside. I'm going to show you if we can fix this grinder. So first up, remove the blade. Now I don't usually use one of these spanners. I just go lock it and give it a slap and it comes off. I know it's not probably the right way to do it, but that's how I do it. So next step is a Phillips head screwdriver. I'm going to run through this because this part is boring. Okay, as you can see, we've got this thing all kinds of stripped. Now to find the origin of the smoke. As you can see, we have a little bit of a burnt bit here, and some of the covering on the wires has come loose. That means it might create a short of sorts. I am not an electrician, but that right there does not look right. What I did here is using a flathead screwdriver, pushing all of that back into the groove, making sure there's no more connections that will short out our little system here. I also think that might not be normal. I don't know. Two there. Can't be a coincidence. Nothing else. Alright. So I went through this, checking that there's nothing of this wire coming through this bit here, making sure there's nothing obstructing anywhere. I'm going to run through with a little piece of sandpaper and just clean this up as nice as I can, put it back together, and we will see if that solves the problem of the smokiness. Upon further inspection, it seems that all of this is doing fine, but now one needs to remember that down there, right in there, you will see two little nubbins coming out. Alright, so those are the brushes. Remove them so that the shaft can get back in there without too much problem, because they need to touch on this piece, and that's what makes this one spin round and round in the party house. But while we are busy with it, I'm going to open this one as well and give it some more grease, and just ensure it doesn't dry out and cause too much friction on the gears. So I'll be doing that quickly. As you can see, the lubrication in here is still rather good. I'm just going to swirl it around, make sure this has some more lubrication on it, and that should be good to go. And with that, it's stripped, put together, and everything is back to normal. Now, the only way to know this is working is to test it. Now, I'm going to use a wire brush, just because it takes very little effort to get it on there. Lock it, and in it goes. Now, back into the plug, and we will see how much of a job we did here. As you can see, that's a fail. That did not work. This one is clearly, well and truly done. So that's the other part of homesteading. When you fix something and you think, I did a good job, sometimes this happens. So now, it's back to the drawing boards. Either buy a new one or try and rebuild one from a bunch of spares. But yeah. That's it for now. I'm gonna go get back to the drawing board. Maybe do a little beard tutorial, because I'm better at doing my own beard than clearly doing this. So thanks for watching. Sorry for disappointing. Have a great one. See you soon. God bless.